First Cars and Coffee of the season is today here in Estes Park. And I don't have enough coffee to make any this morning. Maybe today I'll roast some more coffee, but first we are gonna go to Cars and Coffee, Estes Park. Actually, there's a few things I have to do today. First being Cars and Coffee, but then I need to go down to Boulder to get my fingerprints done for my upcoming internship this summer. And then after that, I have some little finishing touches on the rear platform build. And then I'm also gonna take off the traction boards on my roof rack because they are really unnecessary. I think I'm gonna sell them. But I might add to this list, go to Longmont to the Harbor Freight because they have a Jackery 400 watt battery pack that's on sale for very cheap, and it could replace my smaller battery pack. That's because I have a few things coming in the mail and one of them needs a little bit more power. And then if I have time or if I feel like it, I'll go to the park and roast some more coffee because I'm out and I need my coffee. If you saw the last episode of Coffee House Convos, I roasted my own coffee and it was really cool, really fun. I think I roasted it a little bit too much, so I'm gonna do a lighter roast this time. But anyway, after my cereal, I'll take off my traction boards and then we'll go to Cars and Coffee. It is still very cold here in Estes. It's like May 4th, and right now it's like 37 and cloudy. Luckily the high should be upper 50s, and I'm going down to Boulder, which should be even warmer. But that's why car show season starts late here, because it doesn't get warm until June or July. Either way, I'm sure there'll be a lot of cool cars, probably a lot of classics because of the demographics here in Estes, mostly 65 and up. But that's really cool. I'm gonna get some good pictures. I have just a few more shots on my film camera that I have to take, so I'll do some of those, use up that film roll, and then get those developed. I'm excited for that because that film has been in there for a long time, so there'll be a lot of good pictures. Pretty cool car show. First one of the season. Not too many people, but I'm sure whenever it gets nicer, there will be a lot more. It's like in the 30s right now, so my camera died whenever I was trying to do some pictures and take some shots, and my hands were frozen. But yeah, there's some pretty cool cars. I got a couple cool shots, and I'm gonna post them on my main account. I'm gonna start posting on Sean Canoy and less on Sean's Coffee House. I think I might just consolidate those accounts. So it's only 10 o'clock. Since that's a lot of time, I'm gonna take the extra time, go to Longmont first, check out the Harbor Freight and see what they got there. And then I'll go to Boulder for the fingerprint stuff. And there's also some public land areas, recreation areas near where I'm getting my fingerprint stuff. Little pit stop for gas and caffeine. Usually these are like $3.20 at gas stations. It's only $2.89, which is still ridiculous for this little can, but the sun is coming. We're off to Longmont. Harbor Freight. And we have plenty of time. It is about 11:05. Let's see what we can find at Harbor Freight. Haven't been to Harbor Freight in a long time. Just got done. Took a little longer than expected. I was browsing for a bit, but splurged a bit. Got the Jackery 290 watt-hour storage capacity. Pretty cool. I'm excited to use it. Also got axe. Comes in handy for firewood and whatnot. So now I gotta go to Boulder, do my fingerprints. It's only about a half hour, and then I'll probably get some lunch too. Fingerprints, check. Wing stop. Haven't had it in way too long. And it was way too hard to find a place just to order online and get it. It's all these little boutique food places in Boulder. It's like, come on, just give me something simple. I want to order online and pick it up. But got my wing stop. And man, also Boulder is so crowded. And I bet Estes this summer will be as well, because it's a destination mountain town. It's gonna be too many people. I went to this open space area to eat, and because I was just curious about it, never been here before, so I'm gonna eat here and then I'll head back to Estes. Just got back to Estes. The park is, or the town is super busy, but anyway, so I showed you I got the new Jackery power bank. This is my old one, Engine Star from Amazon. It's been really good, and for what I use it for, which is just charging phones and maybe laptop, it does the job very nicely. But the Jackery Explorer 290 is a bit more powerful, and I have another camping item coming that will need a little bit more power. So I decided to bite the bullet and get this one. So I'm gonna unbox it. Already comes with this nice case. It's like a smooth case. Probably has your cords and stuff in it. So it comes with a like a car accessory cigarette lighter thing, which is one way of charging it. You can also charge it via solar. I almost got a solar panel at Harbor Freight. Very tempted, almost did it, but decided I shouldn't spend that much money. Here's another way to charge it, is just a regular wall outlet. So that's nice that it comes with a cool carrying case. Now for the unit itself. So you see it has two USB outlets, that's how you charge it, and an AC outlet right there, and then your cigarette lighter port there. It's a 12 volt port. Construction feels really nice. It's about 7 pounds. Good hefty feel to it. Oops, I turned it on. It's at 46% out of the box. Cool, so you can see the display there. 46%. And this will be the new camping accessory that will power anything. And new accessory that I ordered, which should be here eventually. Got the checklist done, put my bolt plugs in. You're gonna have to watch a future video to see the storage rack in the back of the Jeep. And tune in to the next Coffee House Convos, because I'm gonna roast some more coffee. If you enjoyed, leave a like. See you in the next one. Peace.